Imagine spending hours on the perfect design, colors, layout, visuals, and then the font ruins it. You scroll through Canva's library, hoping to find that one font that feels right, but it's not there. It's never there. What if I told you that you could upload any font you want in Canva, both on desktop and mobile? And what if I showed you where to find stunning, commercially used fonts for free legally? Stick with me. In this tutorial, I will walk you through everything, step by step. Let's start with the basics. You are not just customizing your designs, you are giving your brand a voice. Font set the tone. They whisper elegant, they shout bold, or play it cool and modern. But Canva's built-in fonts, even with Pro, can feel limiting. You are creating original work. You don't want to look like everyone else, right? Uploading your own font unlocks the freedom to stand out. And yes, you can do it on both desktop and mobile. Let's go step by step. First, you need Canva Pro. There is no way around this. Uploading fonts is a Pro-only feature. But don't worry, you can start with a free 30-day trial. Now log in and head to Brand Hub. From your Canva homepage, look at the left-hand menu and click Brand. Then, inside the Brand Hub, open the Brand Kit. This is your design headquarters, logos, colors, and yes, fonts. Now, scroll to the Fonts section. You will see an Upload a Font button. Click it. Find the font file on your computer. It should be either TTF or OTTF format. Click Upload. Accept Canva's legal terms, and then you are done. Your font is now ready to use in any design. But what if you are on your phone? It's actually easier than most people think. Open the Canva app on your mobile device and log in. Tap the menu icon, these horizontal lines in the top left corner. Now select Brand from the menu options. Choose a brand kit, either create a new one or open an existing kit. Now scroll down to the font section and tap the plus button next to fonts. Then select Upload a Font. Choose the font file from your device. You should know that Canva supports TTF and OTF formats. Now confirm that you have the rights to use the font when prompted. The last step is to wait the upload to complete. Once uploaded, your font will be available in the Canva mobile app under the Uploaded Font section when you add or edit text in your designs. Now, when you know how to upload a font in Canva, let me tell you something important. You can't just upload any font you find online. Most fonts come with licenses, and many are not free for commercial use. If you use copyrighted font in a logo or client work, you could face legal trouble. Canva makes you accept the responsibility when you upload fonts. Here is what I do now. I only upload fonts from trusted websites that clearly say free for commercial use. And let me show you the best ones I have found. Creative Fabrica is a powerhouse for anyone who designs regularly, especially if you use Canva and want fonts that make your projects interesting. And their freebie section gives you access to premium fonts without spending $1. And yes, these fonts are fully licensed for commercial use, which means you can use them in clients' projects, merchandise, branding, and more without legal headaches. Here is why Creative Fabrica stands out. It's not just about the fonts. It's all about the bundles. They rotate new free fonts weekly, often building several styles like script, serif, or display fonts into one download. Plus, each freebie includes a commercial license file, so you have proof if any copyright issue arises. Another reason to bookmark it, their monthly deals. You will often see $100 plus worth of design assets available for free or nearly free. And if you decide to go beyond free, their subscription plans gives unlimited access to everything: fonts, graphics, templates, embroidery files, and even digital crafting resources. To start, just create a free account and explore the free font tab. Creative Fabrica also has a section called Daily Gifts, where fonts rotate out every 24 hours. There's daily free assets every single day. Font Bundles is exactly what it looks like. A site filled with bundled font deals. But don't let the name fool you. They also run an impressive free font section that's packed with commercial licensed typefaces. What makes this site different is their free font of the week. Every week, a premium font, often part of a larger design bundle, is available for free. These aren't cheap, half-done fonts. We are talking polished, well-crafted typefaces with characters, style, and full commercial rights. Just sign in with a free account, hit download, and it's yours. Another standout feature? Lifetime downloads. Once you have claimed a font, it's stored in your personal account library forever. No more losing files or trying to remember where you got them. Font bundles also offer discounted bundles for $1 or $5 during special promo days, and most come with commercial use included. Their search and filtering tools are excellent too. You can browse by category: handwritten, retro, sans serif, use cases, logos, cricut, weddings, or license type. For designers working on client brands or digital products, Font Bundles gives you serious creative flexibility without blowing your budget. Just be sure to download new fonts weekly. Once the deal expires, it's gone. If you want fonts that are free, safe, and ready to use immediately, Google Fonts is your go-to. Every single font on this platform is 100% free for commercial and personal use. That means zero licensing drama, no paywalls, and instant access to massive library of over 1,500 fonts. What makes Google Fonts unique isn't just the number of the options, it's how easy they are to implement. Each font is well optimized, making them perfect for digital designs, websites, branding, and of course, Canva. Here is why designers love it. Google Fonts provides live previews. You can type in any type and instantly see how it looks in different weights and styles. You can also compare fonts side by side to decide on the best pairing for your project. You don't even need to create an account. Just visit the website, scroll, preview, and download. And for web developers or digital creators, each font includes a link to embed directly into website. Zero technical hassle. If you are looking for timeless typography like Roboto, Open Sans, Laura, Playfair Design, or Poppins, you will find them here. It's especially great for professional-looking designs that still need to be fast and accessible. DaFont is a double-edged sword. It has thousands of fonts, probably the most diverse collection you will ever see, but not all are safe to use commercially. That's why I'm including it, but with a big caution sign. Here is how it works. Designers upload their fonts and each one has a usage tag. Some says 100% free, others says public domain, and many say personal use only. The last one is the red flag. You can't use this on logos, merchandise, or anything you sell without paying for a license, even if you downloaded it for free. But if you stick to the 100% free or public domain sections, you will find some incredible gems. Think quirky display fonts, vintage typewriter styles, and hand-drawn scripts you won't find anywhere else. My pro tip for you is that before downloading, always click on the fonts page and read the details. If the license info isn't clear, skip it. DaFont also has a powerful preview tool. You can enter your own text or see how it looks before downloading. It's perfect for testing titles and branding ideas in advance. In short, DaFont is creative wonderland, but read the fine print. Otherwise, you risk using a font illegally without realizing it. FontSpace is like the friendly neighborhood version of DaFont with a bit more curation and clearer licensing options. The best part? You can filter fonts by license type. Click commercial use allowed and you will instantly see thousands of fonts you can safely use in business, branding or paid designs. The fonts here are uploaded by individual creators and hobbyist designers. That means you will find truly unique work, fonts that haven't been overused or copied all across Canva already. Creating an account is free, and once you are signed in, you can bookmark your favorites, create collections, and even follow designers you like. FontSpace also offers full font families, so instead of just one style, you often get light, regular, bold, and italic versions. That gives your designs more flexibility and a professional edge. Each font page includes license info, sample text previews, designer attribution, and download buttons. Plus, there is a growing community aspect. Creators can reply to feedback, update licenses, and release new font regularly. If you are working on creative projects for clients or want to stand out from generic font choices, FontSpace is a solid, reliable resource you can return to again and again. So, now you made it to the end, and now you got your superpowers. You can upload fonts, you can design with intention, and you won't get sued doing it. Then, tell me in the comments, what font did you pick? I would love to see what you create. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe. This channel is all about making designs less scary and more powerful. More design tips, Canva hacks, and real-world creative tutorials are coming soon. See you in the next one. And remember, you don't need to be a designer to look like one.